All right, hello, boys and girls, students. Here is the document, the week 9 objectives and homework. Okay, so the first thing that we talked about on week 9 was changes in the course outline. I talked about this. Look at the clip here, and it's going to be explained. The second one, how to use the sources in the written production. So it's here. The link is there. Essay structure. The link is there. Okay, intro plus body paragraph, the link is there. As a homework, this is what I want you to do. So you watch these two clips over there, and I want you to write an intro, so similar to what you had to do the other day, plus 2 topic sentences, okay, as if you had 2 body paragraphs. The question is, how does COVID-19 affect your overall health? So the example, this is an example that I've provided, is here. Okay, so what I mean by that is you have 1 intro plus 2 topic sentences. Okay, so you look at this clip. This clip explains a little bit what I want, how I want it to be done. Okay, so in your intro, you have to respect the intro structure in a way. Okay, so you need an attention getter, you need a thesis statement, and your thesis you need a topic, claim, and 2 reasons. Okay, and you need 2 topic sentences as if you had the 2 elements. So in the topic sentences, I can add it here. You need sorry about that, you need a topic, you need the point of view, and you need the controlling idea. So you need this for both topic sentence. And the question is this here: how does COVID-19 affect your overall health? We're going to try something this week. I want you to use a Google Doc. So how to use a Google Doc? So you go here and you just go on Google and you write Google Doc, okay, Google Document, and then you go whatever, Google Doc here. I think it's the same. Google's online. You click on this here. I hope it's the right one. So you get started, you log on, etc., and then you're gonna get to this here. It's the same Google Doc. It's the same as any a Word document. Okay, so you get on this page here. You click on blank. You have a new one. In this case, I'm gonna use this here. It's already done. You write your text, blah 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 blah. The reason why I want you to do this is because look, if I do this here and I share. Okay, you can click on the link here, click on the link, and then you can share, so I can comments and write and correct right on the link. However, there's one thing that is important when you use a Google Doc. You have 3 options when you share a link. The first one is just I can view, I can comment, or I can edit, comment, or I can edit. So what I want you to do, you click on edit. You copy, and look, if I do this, for example, done, if I click here, for example, then it provides a link of the Google Doc, and I can write on it. So try to use Google Doc for this one. We'll see if it works or not. You need, so try to do this. You need to identify the elements of the intro just the same way as I did here. So this is my intro. Here we have the attention getter, so I identified it. Lack of sleep, topic, claim, reason 1, reason 2. So you put them in parentheses. Lack of sleep, topic, negative, point of view, ability to learn, controlling ideas. So I want you to identify using parentheses the elements. Here you have the content, okay, uploaded on Leia before May 4th, okay, or send me the link. Just send me the link, okay. And here's the content, what I'm going to use to the criteria I'm going to use to evaluate. So 1, content, 2 on grammar, 2 on structure and coherence. And here you have extra information about what an intro is and what the topic sentence is. Sounds good? All right, good luck. If you have questions, let me know, guys. Okay?